Hello everyone. So today I am going to tell you about engine. Basic introduction of engine. First, the question arises: what is engine? So, an engine is a device which transforms one form of energy into another form. Means energy is converted from one form to another. So this is basically the work of an engine. It is a device which transforms one form of energy into another. While transforming, the efficiency of conversion plays an important role. Normally, most of the engines convert thermal energy into mechanical work, and therefore they are called heat engines. Now, heat engines. So what these heat engines are? Heat engine is a device which transforms the chemical energy. So chemical energy of fuel. We have some fuel. So the chemical energy of that fuel is converted into thermal energy. And this thermal energy is utilized or is converted to mechanical energy. So these three processes takes place in heat engine. So what heat engine do? We have some fuel. So this fuel's chemical energy is converted into thermal energy, and this thermal energy is converted into mechanical energy, which is used in some useful work. Thus, thermal energy is converted to mechanical energy by a heat engine. So engine is a device which convert one form of energy into another, and heat engine is that device which convert chemical energy of fuel into mechanical energy. Basically, there are two types of heat engines. One is IC engine and second is EC engine. This IC stands for internal combustion and EC stands for external combustion. So now what this internal combustion and external combustion thing are? So what happens? We have fuel. Now this fuel need to be burned or it need to be combustion. So if the combustion of this fuel is taking place inside the engine itself, suppose this is the engine, suppose this is a body of engine and we have some fuel here. Now if this fuel is burning inside this chamber or inside this combustion chamber, inside this engine body, then it is internal combustion. The energy of this fuel is converted and changing into mechanical energy. The example of this IC engines are diesel engine or petrol engine, which we use in our bikes or vehicles. In these systems, what happens in these systems? The fuel is supplied inside the body of the engine and combustion takes place inside the body of the engine itself. In internal combustion engine, the product of combustion is directly utilized for the work. The product of the combustion is directly used for the motion. The petrol engines and diesel engines work on this principle. But in external combustion engine, what happens? The fuel burns outside the working body. In external combustion engine, combustion takes place outside the cylinder. That is, if this is the cylinder, then outside of this cylinder, the fuel will burn. The product of combustion of air or and this fuel transfer the heat energy to second fuel or any other fuel which is the working fluid inside the body, and the transfer of this energy helps to convert or to utilize the work from the engine. So in internal combustion engines, the fuel is burned inside the chamber itself or inside the body, and the energy produced is utilized inside the body. But in external combustion engine, the fuel burns outside and the energy is utilized through other working fluid. The examples of this type of engine are steam engine or steam turbine plants. What happens in these plants? The fuel energy is utilized to convert the water or any other fluid into steam, and this steam is made to strike on the turbines or any other rotating devices which through which the chemical or thermal energy is converted in mechanical energy. So the main objective of the engines or heat engine is conversion of this chemical energy into mechanical energy. So this is a general introduction of what engines are and what they do and what are the basic types of these engines. Thank you.